Hi, hi guys and girls. This is just an update of what's been happening in the background. Um, we are busy at the moment with planning events, like I mentioned if you watched the last video to the end. I'm going to ask that you watch the last video, all the videos to the end, so that you can get a full update of what's planning, what's coming up to be planned. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Leave a comment below what you liked about the video. Maybe put some suggestions of what you guys might like to see, and let's uh, let's see how we can make things happen. Okay, so today I had a chat to a friend of mine. He's the owner of Arc Performance Racing in Port Elizabeth. They do drag cars, track cars, tune-ups, upgrades. They're building a Audi S3 at the moment. It's pushing, I think it's about 300 kilowatts. Does a quarter mile time in about 10.8 seconds. It's a mean machine. They're busy with a couple of other projects. So when I spoke to him today, I spoke to him about having the downpipe installed on the Jetta. He said to me they'll be great. They'll be more than willing to manufacture one, due to the fact that they can't get one locally from any of the other suppliers. And so I said to him that's fine. So hopefully now soon, when the lockdown restrictions are uplifted and we are more able to move around, the vehicle will go in to have the downpipe manufactured, and that'll be the first step to the modifications on the vehicle. Now furthermore, we discussed on the modifications to the vehicle, we'll look at doing a full carbon cold air intake system, along with possibly upgrading the intercooler and boost parts. At a later stage, we'll do the suspension and shock kits, and brakes will be done as well. I also wanted to give you a bit of an update that we are planning on also doing events. The drag racings will be coming up. There will be show and shine events coming up. There will be meet and greet events coming up. There will also we'll get some stock car footage, regional racing, national racing, as well as the Sasol touring car series will be coming to you as well. We're still planning the drifting weekend. That'll also be fun. And then something else I'm busy arranging is a fundraising advanced driving school day, in Port Elizabeth, and that's also pretty cool. So that's pretty much all on schedule. I just thought I'll leave you guys a bit of an update with what's going on, what's planning. It is a bit difficult to drive around and do car videos because of the restrictions and the lockdown rules and regulations here at the moment. But thanks. I'll ask you to please continue to watch the videos, watch them to the end. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, leave your comments, and turn that bell on. And we'll see you soon for more updates. Thanks.